Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Yasha Qaya and today I will show you my very nice project. I finished Windows Server 2019 penetration testing. I choose this operating system because it's up to date. It's the official Windows Server version, latest version from Microsoft. I know that there's Windows Server 2022, but until now it's evaluation. So now we will see how I can finish penetration. How can I hack Windows Server 2009? First of all, I'm logging into Kali and I'm logging into my Windows Server. I will try 3 examples how we can hack Windows Server. Of course, not always we can exploit vulnerabilities. Maybe sometimes we can use another methods to enter Windows Server. Okay, let's go to the Kali Linux. So first of all, to hack Windows Server, we need to go to the penetration testing steps. First steps is to gather information from your system. Second step is scanning. So now we are going to scan the target. Let's go and write nmap, and this is Windows Server IP. Let's check IP config, the correct IP. After it finished, let's see that all of these are opened in the target computer in Windows Server 2019. Let's see how nmaps sends packets, send packets. Let's see. We will open Wireshark and let's choose interface any and let's start nmap, and we can see here that nmap is sending send packets in order to gather information and scan about the open ports. Okay, let's now write this command tcp dump ethernet 0 that to capture all packets that are sent from Windows Server. If you don't know about this command, you can see my video about man-in-the-middle attack in my YouTube channel. Let's go to Windows Server and try to open a website. For example, this is only testing web page. Okay, I'm trying to put username and password. When I submit, now if I open my Kali Linux, it will have my password because I'm using unsecure protocol. I see here a lot of packets, so I need to filter on HTTP request, which method is post. That's it. Let's see the password, HTML form URL, and this is my username and password. Okay, let's go now to Metasploitable. Metasploit tool. This tool have a lot of built-in scripts that you can use it to exploit vulnerabilities in the target host. I will open another session to done nmap command, nmap scan, and see the open ports and open services and the version of these services. So I can exploit these services. I want to see weakest service here. I think here he only sent me the open port. Now I need the services for each port and the version of these services. So we need to put /-sv. After it finished, I can see here that there's Microsoft IIS HTTPD version 10 is running on this host. So I will try to exploit this vulnerability if it's vulnerable. Okay, after starting the Metasploitable, I want to search about this vulnerability, which on Windows host, and its type is exploit and it's IIS. Let's see if there's any IIS vulnerability. We can see that there's no version 10 for IIS, so that tells us that it's not vulnerable yet. So we will try any one. Let's try, for example, number 2 because it's excellent. Okay, I want to copy the vulnerability and write use this vulnerability, and now I need to show options. What do you need information? to start exploiting. He need the R host because R host is not filled yet. I filled the R host, which is the target host. The target host that I want to exploit. Now let's start, see if there's any unfilled information, and now let's start the exploit. Finished. We can see here that exploit completed, but no session was created. So we finish exploiting, but it's not vulnerable, so we can get session. Okay, let's try another way. Now we have in our Kali machine, we have file named nc.exe. This file can be as a malware to the target and give us meta-operator session. Let's have it now, and we see it that it's on this path. And now we need to put this file on the local server to be able to download this file on the target system. So we need to start Apache service on Kali Linux. After we start this service, we need to copy the nc.exe file to the web server. After that, we need to listen on the port that is working on this malware. So when you open this malware, you are opening port. The hacker will listen on this port until you open the file. When you open the file, he takes the session. Let's see. And now we have run me file. This file, you can have it from the web server that I make, but you should use your social engineer skills to let this file go to the target. Run it. And after I run it, I can see that it opens administrator session. Let's see. If I write who am I can see that I'm administrator. So now our job is to increase our power in this system. Inshallah, in the next video, I'll tell you how to increase your power. Inshallah, in the next video, I'll tell you how you can increase your power in your system. If you like this video, put like to make the next part. Thank you. And now let's shut down the target computer. Shut down the chef. Done. Thanks for watching. See you.